In this guide, I'll show you how to turn on 120 FPS in Apex Legends on the Xbox Series S or X if your setup supports it. So the first thing you want to do is press the X button on your controller, and we're going to go to Home. Then what you want to do is navigate to the settings cogwheel in the top right corner, and from General, scroll over and select TV and Display Options. Now here's where you should see your resolution as well as your refresh rate. If you don't see refresh rate, scroll over and go to Video Fidelity and Overscan, and then you want to change this on to overrides to HDMI. Now, when you do this, it's going to put your display on a really small resolution, so just press B to go back and change your resolution to 1080p. Now, when you do this, you should now see the refresh rate. Mine's currently on 60 Hz, and if your setup supports it, you can change it to 120. Now, once you've done that, you can go back and you want to go back to in-game. And now when you're in game, you want to press and hold the start button on your controller and go to settings. From here, you want to go to video at the top and you want to scroll down, and where it says graphics mode, it's grayed out for me because I don't have the correct setup, but you should be able to change it over to performance, prioritizing frame rates up to 120 FPS with reduced visual quality. Now, I do recommend that you also go up to gameplay at the top and scroll down, and then what you want to turn on is performance display. So once you have this turned on, you'll now be able to see in the top right corner your current FPS, which should say 120. If this guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.